Hi to everybody, my name is George Wilson. I would like to say welcome to our Profit Monitoring channel. Today we have talked about Bittrex. Exactly, Bittrex, one of the oldest cryptocurrency platform in the world. I always appreciate Bittrex for its simple control panel and clear design. Today, Bittrex declared that they have more than 250 cryptocurrencies, most popular cryptocurrencies, in their balance. Let's see what is. Here you can find Bitcoin, one of the most popular cryptocurrency today. Here you can find their last price, actual price. Every cryptocurrency estimated value in Bitcoin. Here you can find their price in the Bitcoin value. This tool is most powerful in your arm. You can find demand of each cryptocurrency in the latest 24 hours, increase or decrease. Next, you can find their highest and lowest price, and also volume of each given cryptocurrency in the market. Let's go deeper and see how it works inside. Uploading the page and welcoming Bitcoin. The next most powerful tool in your arms is the diagram. Here are the history of the Bitcoin from beginning to today. You can find their 1 month history, 3 months, even 6 months and years experience of the Bitcoin increase, decrease, and the history. Analyzing of this diagram, you can build your future, you can build your next step. In the right corner you can find the buy or sell tool. You just need to tag your price, bidded price, asked price, or latest price. I always use the last price. In the next cell you can write how many bitcoins you can sell or you want to buy. Below you can find the value in the United States dollars including taxation. The next page is our orders. This is my personal account, this is my private account, so you can find my order history. You can find that I have very deepest history, very large deepest experience in the trading. The next page is wallet. They name it holdings, but namely I say that it's wallet because I can save here my wallets, save here my tokens, save here my cryptocurrencies. Oh, you can see I have 35 United States dollars in my balance and I have 5 cryptocurrency in my balance. You can see the withdraw button and deposit button. Also you can deposit your money from your plastic card or withdraw your assets to your plastic card and waste your money for pleasure. Don't forget to use two-factor authentication because of security your assets, security of your balance. In case if you have a large amount in your wallet, a large amount in your balance, you can use hardware wallet like Ledger. That's easy to use. As I say, Bittrex has a very simple control panel and very clear design. You can easily manage your assets, you can easily trade, easily analyze and build your next steps. I would like to say bye and take care of yourself. Bye bye, see you next video.